Can you describe your entire day in English? From the moment you open your eyes to the moment you fall asleep? In the next minutes, you'll be able to. Let's go. Today, we're going to follow one person through an entire day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. You'll practice sentences for every part. And at the end, I'll give you a challenge that will make this vocabulary permanent. If you do it, describing your day will become automatic. Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English podcast. I'm James, and today we're practicing something essential: how to describe your daily life with real, natural vocabulary, not textbook words. Before we start, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Here's why this matters. To talk about your life in English, you need real, everyday vocabulary. Words for the bathroom, breakfast, commuting, evening, and today you're going to master it. Listen to each sentence and repeat out loud. The day begins. My alarm goes off at 6. I hit snooze. 5 more minutes. Okay, time to get up. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms. I yawn. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I use the toilet. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I wash my face. I take a shower. The water is warm. I dry myself with a towel. I go back to my room. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. 20 sentences. Now breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I'm hungry. I make coffee. I wait for it to brew. The smell is amazing. I pour myself a cup. I add a little sugar. I make toast. I put butter on it. I eat breakfast. I check my phone. I read the news. I reply to some messages. I finish my coffee. I wash my dishes. I check the time. It's time to go. I grab my bag. I grab my keys. I leave the house. 40 sentences. Time to commute. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on. I find a seat. I put on my headphones. I listen to music. I listen to a podcast. I look out the window. The traffic is bad today. I arrive at my stop. I get off the bus. I walk to my office. I arrive at work. I say good morning to everyone. 55 sentences. Work routine. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I have a lot to do today. I make a to-do list. I start working on a project. I have a meeting at 11. The meeting is boring. I take notes. I need more coffee. I take a break. I go to the kitchen. I talk to a colleague. It's lunchtime. I eat lunch at my desk. I go out for lunch. I eat a sandwich. I go back to work. The afternoon goes slowly. I finish my tasks. It's 5 o'clock. Time to go home. I turn off my computer. I say goodbye to everyone. I leave the office. 80 sentences. Evening routine. I get home at 6. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I put my bag down. I change my clothes. I put on something comfortable. I sit on the couch. I relax for a moment. I watch TV. I check social media. I scroll through my phone. I'm getting hungry. I start cooking dinner. I cook rice and chicken. I set the table. I eat dinner. The food is delicious. I wash the dishes. I clean up the kitchen. I call a friend. 100 sentences. Night routine. It's getting late. I'm tired. I turn off the TV. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take off my clothes. I put on my pajamas. I go to my bedroom. I get into bed. The bed is comfortable. I set my alarm. I check my phone one last time. I plug it into charge. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes. I think about my day. I feel grateful. I fall asleep. Good night. 120 sentences. You just described an entire day from morning to night. Now your challenge. For the next 7 days, narrate your day in English. When you wake up, say, I'm waking up. When you eat, say, I'm having breakfast. When you go to bed, say, I'm going to sleep. By day 7, these sentences will be automatic. If you practiced all 120 sentences, comment morning to night below. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Next episode, how to practice effectively every day, even with no time. I'm James from Talk Easy English Podcast. Talk easy, grow strong.